Hey friends, if you wish to fix DirectX failed to initialize error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters, right click on the first driver, update it. Right click on the second driver and update it. The next solution is to disable graphics acceleration. And how will we do that? So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display in the right pane. Okay, scroll down and select graphics. And now you will have this option here for advanced graphics settings. You'll see something called as hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Simply turn this off. You will have to restart your computer after this. And the last solution will be a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply OK, and then restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.